Hello everyone, this is the Hunter Silent Breeze model 25506 from February of 1995. I picked this up at a local thrift store, but I didn't buy it from there. It was next to their dumpster as they were throwing it away. The blades were bent up pretty badly, but I seem to have gotten it pretty well balanced. And the glass for the light kit had a few chips in it. The mounting bracket and all the screws were actually in a bag right next to it, so it is a complete fan. I'll start off by demonstrating the light kit. Okay, now low. The main reason why I grabbed this fan was for the light kit. It's a 3-arm light kit, and for whatever reason I really like those. But it did turn out to be a pretty neat little fan. Now medium. All right, now high. It's still a bit wobbly, but that's partially because it's on my test rig and the whole thing sways a little bit. If this was attached to a box that was actually in the ceiling, it probably wouldn't move quite as much. All right, now spin down. All right, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.